Well, we're out here attempting this again. This is our second time ever ice fishing. Again, we're using someone else's holes, because I don't have an auger. This lake's been pretty busy this week. I think there was a fishing derby out here, but I think it ended. We got these two poles over here. Again, I don't have ice fishing gear. I'm just using our normal poles. Using our lake poles here. And over here, I've got a different setup. I'm using my river rod. Doing some jigging with it. I don't know if we'll catch anything, but we're hopeful. But if you have any tips or tricks on how to ice fish that you'd be willing to give me, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. You know, tips or tricks that don't cost an arm and an ass. I got a little squiddy looking thing on the end of that one. A weighted one. It's down there pretty far. I'm just sort of wiggling it, hoping for something. Yeah, we have chairs, but we'll end up wandering more than anything. Especially when the friggin' cold ass wind hits. This is our second time ever ice fishing. I think I'll go find like a mini auger that goes to a DeWalt drill or something. But if there's some special lure that you use to catch a fish on the ice, let me know what it is. If you're willing, let me know what it is. 'Cause I don't know. I know how to catch fish when it's warm out. I'm not sure how to catch fish when it's frozen ass cold out. I don't know. Just trying to keep the holes open. Bring you back if I catch anything or something interesting happens. My bobber's actually moving! I'm so excited! It might actually... Oh, see? And that's not the wind. I might actually have something! Feel anything? Alright, let's pull it back. Okay, let's pull it back. Maybe something was playing with it, it'll take it a little harder. So I don't know why it would be moving so much like that. Oh, there it goes again! Oh, look! Oh. That's something! Exciting! Come on, just take it. It went down. Maybe. I think you're just gonna have to... Anything? Maybe? So exciting! Oh yes! Yes! Come on from the hole! Yay! First time ice fishing! Well, second time ice fishing, first time catching. And it's really nice size one too. Oh, that's awesome! Woohoo!